apple, apricot, banana, blackberry, cherry, custard apple, grapes, guava, jackfruit, java plum, kiwi, lemon, mango, muskmelon, papaya, pear, pineapple, plum, pomegranate, sapodilla, strawberry, tamarind, watermelon, beetroot, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, brinjal, broccoli, cabbage, capsicum, carrot, cauliflower, chili, cluster beans, coriander leaf, corn, cucumber, curry leaf, elephant foot yam, fenugreek, French beans, garlic, gherkins, ginger, green peas, ladyfinger, lima beans, mint, mushroom, onion, parwal, peas, potatoes, radish, spinach, squash, sweet potato, tinda, tomato, turnip, almond, betel nut, coconut, dates dried, fig, flax seeds, groundnut, pistachio, pumpkin seeds, raisin, saffron, walnuts, cashew nut, bread, burger, cake, chapati, cheese, ice cream, juice, Manchurian, milk, noodles, pasta, pizza, popcorn, rice, salad, sandwich, soup, adzuki beans, black gram bean, black-eyed beans, chickpea, green peas, kidney beans, moth bean, mung bean, split red lentil, white peas, barley, black sesame seeds, buckwheat, corn, fenugreek seeds, pearl millet, rice, sorghum, wheat, white sesame seeds,